Braids, what's up? Hey my weirdos and weirdettes, welcome back to my channel. But if you're already part of the crew, what it do? So for today's video, y'all already know when I come on here, sweatpants, hair tied, chilling with no makeup on. That means we're about to either go get our hair done or go get our makeup done. So with that being said, I'm actually going to the beauty supply now to get all my hair products. I have Kai in the cut. Say hi, Kai. What's up? Y'all probably already seen the picture, so it's not much of a surprise. But yeah, but whatever style you see on the, how you call that? On the thumbnail, So I'm gonna go to the hair store so I can go get them products. Damn, I'm looking dark on that side. And then after I do that, I'm going to go pick up my lunch because I'm starving, y'all. It's 4 o'clock. I have not eaten since, it's 4:48 to be exact. I have not eaten since probably like 10:15 this morning. Before y'all go judge me like, girl, you pregnant, you need a da-da-da. I went to work, I got off work at 11, and then I came home with straight to sleep because I work early in the morning, it's like 5 a.m. So when I come home, I just wanted to sleep. So I slept, I woke up around 3, scrolled on my phone for like an hour. I know that's bad, but now I'm gonna go get the hair and then go get my food. Y'all, your girl needs her hair done. Like my hairstylist, y'all know she's not from down here. She lives out of the city, about 2 to 3 hours away. So the only time I can get my hair done is when she's in town. So she's gonna be in town this week, so I'm gonna get my hair done. Y'all, it's been 2 months, and I know I said that I've been doing this this challenge, like the 3-month challenge with protective styling and all that, but the thing is, the challenge is good because my hair is growing effectively, but the struggle of looking rough is not. And I work with guests and clientele, so I can't keep looking rough like this. So I've been wigging it for a little bit. Well, I'm not gonna say for a little bit, I ain't gonna lie like that. I put on a wig this morning, I took out my hair yesterday, so it's been 2 months since I've had my hair in. So she's gonna be in style tomorrow, so I'm gonna go to her to get my hair done. Y'all know typically I do my own hair, but because your girl plug and baby mystery is not trying to, you know, let me have energy to do anything, we're just gonna, you know, keep going to my hairstylist. And if you guys want to check her out, her Instagram is House of Organic Beauty. Her YouTube channel is also House of Organic Beauty. And I also use her hair products and they are amazing. My hair has been flourishing. So yeah, I'm driving. I got a kid in the car, so I'm gonna call y'all when I get to the hair store so y'all can see what I grab. Okay? Okay. Y'all, it is hot. I was trying to get the 3-pack Cuban twist, but they didn't have that, so I ended up getting 2 single packs. I have a pack or a half a pack at the house, so I think that should be enough. And I want my length to be like at least by my boobs, like mid-back, so hopefully that can accomplish that. And there was a specific bead I was looking for too, but I could not find it, so I improvised because I'm not going to no other beauty supply store. So that's what I did. Makai, what you want to eat?
Right?
Y'all, it's the islander in here. Every time I ask this boy what you want to eat, it's always rice and chicken, rice and chicken, rice and chicken. Alright, y'all, so I'm out. I'm gonna see y'all when I get my food. Girl, I want to be alone with you, just to see. No copyright. Alright, y'all, so I am back home now. Got my food, got my drink, and I'm about to just dive in because, y'all, I'm starving. You finished? Okay, I'm gonna come look. And yeah, so he rushed to eat his cookies from the bakery. That's why he swallowing his food like that. But yeah, I'll see y'all. Let me go check on my guy food. Yeah, see that is cute. I made some Knotless Marley twists, y'all. I was supposed to record this video for y'all, but I completely forgot when I went to get my hair done. And this is the finished touch. I'm so sorry, guys. I really meant to record it. This is how long it is. Look at my beads. Look at my bum. Look at my bump. But I really did mean to record it, y'all, but I ended up going to get my hair done right after work, so I did not get the chance to record it for you guys. But if you guys want a step-by-step tutorial, I will definitely do this hairstyle again so that y'all can get that. But she did an amazing job, y'all. Like, I'm obsessed with my hair. Like, you know how many styles I can, like, cute croup styles, you know? She did a darn fine. Your girl like a slate laid plate clate bazade. Those are not even words. Here go the beads. I like how they look. I want y'all to get like a real look. See? At least the video wasn't long. Right? No? Yeah? No? But yeah, this is the end of this video, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell button to be notified. Don't forget to tell a friend so they can tell a friend so they can tell a friend so they can tell another friend so that friend could come back and watch me. Until next time, peeps. Deuces!